Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Ask RJ. That's right, this is the Q&A feature of my channel where you get your questions answered. Okay, so basically since I did the videos, recent videos on earning free crypto through faucets, and especially the Larvel Faucet, I have been absolutely inundated with questions about how to get the engaged hits extension added to your browser so you can start earning coins just from watching videos. It's a very simple process which we're going to go through, but also remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my Larvel Faucet account, and basically what we're simply going to do is I'm going to be showing you how to add the engaged hits extension to either your Chrome browser or your Brave browser, and then using that will allow you to earn anything up to 1,000 coins in Larvel Faucet multiple times. Okay, so first what we need to do, obviously you need to log into your Larvel Faucet, and then you go into earn coins and then into tasks. Okay, so as you can see here, these are the various different tasks you can do, and engaged hits is here. So we click get coins. Okay, and then like it says, is basically you're going to download or log in with a Gmail account, download your developer extension, and then you can watch YouTube videos passively, which means that you don't actually have to watch them. So basically you can get it running, open up another tab, or you can split the screen like I did show in one of my recent videos on how I run it, and then you can, so that means that you can continue, say, doing your PTC ads, visiting your short links, doing your faucet while these videos are playing, and you're earning coins from just watching those videos. And like I say, you can watch it watch them multiple times. So the idea is that you'll watch 10 YouTube videos, then you'll be credited your coins, and then sometimes or most times it will then continue to run another 10 videos. Now and again it might pop up and say that you've got to leave it for half an hour before it will run again, but then after that half an hour you can come back and then continue to earn coins. If you run it enough, you will actually get a little thing pop up on your window and tell you to actually come back in 24 hours. So that means you know that from that point you have had and earned as many coins as you can for that day. Okay, so basically what we do then is we click on the get paid to watch videos, and then you'll get engaged hits pop up on your screen. So what we need to do is just log in now, and then we'll go and check out what else you need to do to get it up and running. Okay, so here we are in my engaged hits account, and one tip that I will give you and basically stress to you is that when you sign up for engaged hits, use an email that you don't use a lot, or preferably what I would say is go and get a completely new email account from Google. The reason for that is basically when you are watching these videos that it actually will subscribe to the channels and it will like the channels. So obviously you do not want that sort of affecting, or basically your actual YouTube account. You don't want to be inundated with subscriptions that you don't really want. So if you're using a completely blank and new email account, that is what's going to end up with all these subscriptions and not your actual official YouTube account. Okay, so basically the first thing you need to do once you've come in here is you go to download extensions. They do have tutorials here and they have tutorials in the help, but basically I'm going to show you what to do anyway, so as long as you pay attention, everything's going to be cool. Okay, so you click download extension, and then basically what you'll do is click the download button. There was a recent update for those of you that are using Engaged Hits already. There was a recent update to 1.20 version, so if you're still using the old version, I do advise you to come and get the new version. Okay, so we've already downloaded that, so what we need to do then, so basically you'll come into your computer and go to your downloads folder, and you can see here there is the Engaged Hits Chrome extension 1.20, and then but it will come as a zip file. So what you need to do is extract that zip file into a folder. Make sure you're extracting it into a folder, otherwise the files contained in the zip will just end up all over the place. They will still be in this folder, but they'll be all over the place rather than in one specific folder. So make sure you do extract it to a specific folder. So once you've done that, you've unzipped it, you've got it into a folder, then what you'll need to do is you'll go to in Brave or Chrome, you'll go to extensions. Click extensions. Then what you need to do is click on developer mode. So you click that. That will then give you this drop down, and what you're looking for is load unpacked, because basically what that means is it's been unpacked from the zip folder or zip file, and now is just in a standard folder or directory. And so then what we do is we go click that, and then we go to downloads, and then we locate the Engaged Hits Chrome extension, select the folder, and there you go. So something else that I would advise, that when you're not using Engaged Hits, I would disable it. So you don't need to remove it, just disable it, purely as a cautionary thing, because it is an automated piece of software or an automated extension, and you just don't want to take the risk that it might have some kind of impact on as you surf other sites or anything like that. So like I say, I would personally just disable it when you're not using it, and when you disable it, it will disappear from up here, and obviously when you re-enable it, it will appear once again. Okay, so close the extensions, as that is all good. So basically that's it, all done. The next thing that really you need to do is get yourself up and running. So you'll click on here and you have two choices. So you have earn advertising points and you have earn money. So the earning advertising points, which I'm not really going to get into, but basically Engaged Hits is a program that actually helps you, or has the idea, one of the things it does is help you promote your YouTube channel. I don't use it personally, but I have looked into it, because again, this is something else I've been asked about. I have looked into it. Apparently it works very well for small channels or channels that are just starting out. So if you're, you're basically 0 subs, or even anything up to about 1,000 or so subscribers, apparently it works really well, helps boost your account, and obviously builds up your subscribers, all that kind of stuff. but that is basically as far as I'm going to go with that. If you want to know more, i.e. you want to know how to create campaigns, all that kind of stuff, come in here. Once you're in here, go into your help, and it will give you more information about using this as a way to promote your channel if you're sort of in that lower sort of bracket and it's something that you want to do. Okay, so but what we're interested in is the earn money. So basically I have shown this on my other videos, and obviously as well, if this is your first time visiting my channel and this is the first video you are seeing and you are interested in earning free coins from crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier playlist, which that playlist will show you all of the faucets that I'm currently using to earn free crypto, which basically I build up and then I put those coins into other programs that you can also find in my channel. Okay, so like I say, check that out in the description. Also as well, if you go through to the end of this video, that link will also be there, so you can just click straight on it and start watching. Okay, so like I say, basically everything is up and running. All we need to do is click earn, and then YouTube will appear and you will start earning coins from that point. Like I say, it's all on auto. It will choose the video for you to watch. If you haven't already subscribed to that channel, it will subscribe you to that channel. Some point down the line, somewhere down the line, it will get you to like the video. But like I say, this is all on autopilot, and that's it. So basically, really simple. A quick and easy way to know whether you've obviously loaded it up correctly. One, obviously the icon will be there, but also as well, you want to make sure that it is connected to Larvel Faucet, because that's obviously where you want to be earning your coins, and that will be shown just here. And like I say, as you can see there, that was the first video that we had to watch, and we still have to watch 9 more, and then the coins will be in our account. Okay, so if we just click here, you can see that basically we're looking at the 10th video of the stack of 10, and we've just got a few seconds to wait, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go into Larvel Faucet, so we can see the coins actually being deposited into the account, and which is obviously the most important thing of the whole process. So as you can see there, with this is saying that we can't continue, or we can't carry on straight away, but we will be able to continue in 30 minutes. And so that means that in 30 minutes you can come back, run that again, and earn yourself another bunch of coins. Okay, so if we go in here, I did withdraw everything because I wanted to basically start have a 0 when we see the deposit go into the account. Because also what I'm going to show you is, so we've got 880 for watching those 10 videos. If we go into the activity, this is how you can keep track of what you're doing. So you can go in here and you can see there the 22nd of the 7th, which is today, 850. So I'm not quite sure where the extra 30 came from, but that's always nice. So that's really it. It is a very simple process. It's very easy to get yourself set up and get yourself earning those coins. And if you are interested in those earlier videos I mentioned, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, it really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.